Finally, after months of anticipation, Meta AI has officially launched in India. The news spread like wildfire across the country, with tech enthusiasts and everyday consumers alike buzzing with excitement. For those who had been following the development of Meta AI, the launch in India was a significant milestone. The company had been working tirelessly to perfect their AI technology, and now they were ready to introduce it to a new market. India, with its vast population and growing tech sector, was the perfect place for Meta AI to make its mark. As the news of the launch spread, people began to speculate about the potential impact of Meta AI on various industries. Some saw it as a game changer for healthcare, with the potential to revolutionize diagnosis and treatment. Others believed it could transform the way we interact with technology, making everyday tasks easier and more efficient. But beyond the practical applications, there was also a sense of wonder and excitement about what Meta AI could mean for the future of humanity. Could this technology help us unlock the secrets of the universe or even transcend our physical limitations? The possibilities seemed endless, and people were eager to see what Meta AI could achieve. Of course, there were also concerns and questions about the implications of such advanced AI technology. As the first users began to interact with Meta AI, feedback started to pour in. Some were amazed by its capabilities, while others found it frustratingly limited. There were reports of bugs and glitches, but also stories of incredible breakthroughs and discoveries. In the weeks and months that followed, Meta AI continued to evolve and improve. The company listened to user feedback and made adjustments, constantly striving to make their technology better and more user-friendly. And as Meta AI became more integrated into everyday life in India, its true potential began to emerge. As the excitement of the launch began to fade, a new sense of possibility took its place. With Meta AI at their fingertips, the people of India were ready to embrace a future filled with endless opportunities and innovations. And as they looked ahead, they knew that the best was yet to come. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos. Make the background music happy.